Did you know that you can sell gift cards to your customers using GoHighLevel? Gift cards are an awesome way to increase loyalty and sell your services to your customers through these beautiful branded digital cards. And today I'll show you how to create, share, and sell these cards across multiple mediums. This is an awesome feature, so let's dive right in. To get started with gift cards, you can navigate to Payments and then find gift cards at the very top right. If you haven't created a gift card yet, you can create your very first gift card by clicking Create Gift Card. We can then give our gift card a name as well as a description, which we can write with AI if we want to, which will then take our title and then give us an AI gift card description for it. We can then implement an expiration date if we want these gift cards to expire and include a URL to guide recipients on how they can redeem their gift card if needed. You can decide if you want to use a link or not, depending on your use case. Some use cases may require a more in-depth gift card redemption tutorial where you show them where they can put in their gift card code in order to redeem it. But if it's something pretty simple, then you can simply click no link. Then you can write your terms and conditions. This is where you're going to include how people can redeem their gift cards. So whether they need to go to a link or redeem it in store, all that information you need to include here. Once you include those sets of information, you can click continue and customize your card by either uploading custom artwork, which you can use in an 800 by 400 pixel format, or you can create a gradient, which you can then save as a template right within the gift card editor. We can simply select colors, directions, and then add this to our templates and then click continue. Now on step 3, we can add our denominations. These are the different amounts that people can buy the gift cards for. So if you want to let people buy a gift card for 10, 25, and 50, you can select them just like that, or you can enter custom amounts below in order to add those options as well to the multiple choice list. Then you can do things like managing the gift card inventory by defining quantity or allowing sales when out of stock, and you can add taxes to your gift cards as well. Then on the last step, you'll see this beautifully designed gift card complete with our title, our description, the amounts that they can buy our gift cards for, and then the gift card code, which can be created upon purchasing. And if everything looks good, we can click Create Gift Card, and just like that, we'll have our first gift card created for our business. And we'll be able to see this within the gift cards dashboard. Once you create a gift card, you can navigate to the card itself and you'll be able to see the QR code there, which will allow customers to purchase the gift card in those denominations. You can also edit the gift card by clicking Edit, send it by clicking Send, which you can do by selecting a customer, including a gift message, including any of these message suggestions if you'd like to use them, like take a moment for yourself. You can then include a delivery method. So if you'd like to email or text the gift card code to the customer, and all these have slightly different options like PDFs, QR codes, and then just basic emails. And then of course you can select the gift card value for how much you're sending to this customer. On the last step, you'll see a preview of what this looks like, and it'll look different depending on if you're sending through SMS or with a PDF or QR code or through email. But regardless, when you're ready to send it, you can click Send Gift Card, and then you'll send this to the customer. By doing that, we can give the gift card to a customer inside of our agency, but if we want to sell it, then what we can do is we can click Sell. And this will give us a couple of different options. We can either send them a checkout link, which allows them to purchase the gift card in an interface that looks like this, allowing them to select the value that they want to purchase it for, make their payment, and then get a confirmation with the gift card code itself after they've purchased. We can also embed our gift cards using this embed code here. And if we want to test the checkout process, then we can click Test Mode Checkout Link, and that will let us test the gift card purchasing flow. And once a customer has purchased or we've issued a gift card to a customer, we'll then see the orders screen. So we can manage our gift cards from the All Gift Cards screen, and we can manage our orders from the Orders screen in order to see the different customers that have purchased gift cards. And of course, we can search, sort, and filter and do much more. And one of the best parts about the gift card infrastructure is our gift cards are created as products. So this means that we can sell our gift cards as a product within a form, within a website, within QR codes, e-commerce stores, and so much more. Basically anywhere where we can see a product inside of GoHighLevel and sell it, we can sell our gift cards there. This means that you can include your gift cards on payment links, e-commerce stores, forms, surveys, and so much more. Feel free to try out gift cards within the Payments tab inside of your GoHighLevel. And of course, if you have any questions, refer to the help doc or the blog. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.